All right, so let's start with it. So maybe people will keep joining, and so I've kept the mic mute for the initial period, so that you would be able to concentrate on what exactly I'm talking. But afterwards, you can raise the hands, and so let me first finish. I will explain the about what exactly is this internship, what we are offering, and what are the advantages and all. Post that, you can raise the hand, and I will give you the access to the mic, even the camera you can on, and you can talk to me because I would like to have uh, one-on-one discussion. So before to start, I am Manish Kumar. I am the founder and the CEO of Rooman Technologies. So let me go straight away to the presentation. Camera is on. Yeah. Okay. So I am going to share my screen. Perfect. Here we go. So by the time people are joining, I would like to give a little introduction about Ruman so that when you are going for the internship, you should be very clear that yes, what exactly with whom you are going to deal with, what exactly would be the offerings. So Ruman is a 26 years company. So we started our operations in the year 1999, and we are into training as well as we are into services. Uh, we offer 100 plus courses. We have 100 plus branches across the globe. And we are the partner of Microsoft, Red Hat, VMware, all these companies, so that we know, what exactly is happening in the industry, how exactly the things are unfolding. In this session, further, I am going to discuss a lot about your AI, how AI is disrupting the market, what all you can do it using AI, how AI can be either helpful to you or it is harmful to you. All right. So I understand because you are going through a different era. There is a lot of transformation is happening. This could be challenging. At the same time, this could be a golden opportunity for you. So because you can always have the first mover advantage. Now you see the persons who have joined IT industry 20, 25 years back. Today, they are kind of the king. Like they are ruling. They are almost all of they are into in the Silicon Valley, in US, UK, and all that, because the first mover advantage. So the same way now, as the things are changing rapidly, like AI is disrupting the market back very aggressively. In that case, this is a good time for you if you plan your career properly. Okay. Anyway, I will not take much time on those things. So let me finish off. So training is one vertical of Ruman. Apart from that, we are also into IT services. We are into manpower services so that we can place you. Yes, after the your internship or training, we can also give you the placement. We are also having our software development and all. So basically, uh, anyhow, training and all that we will be going in detail. So IT services arm of ours, if you say, in that case, uh, we have implemented completely. We manage the complete police department, data center, all the police stations, 1400 police stations in Karnataka was connected by us. We used to maintain the revenue department, 900 Nemadi centers, then the whole State Bank of India, we manage their IT infrastructure. Coming to the software side and the larger system integration, we manage the smart city. So we do the smart city project. Davangere smart city we manage. Shimoga we do. So as part of that, like city surveillance, where video analytics comes into picture, We talk about water, smart water. So how much water is flowing? We have put the bulk flow meter, and there would be a measurement that from the main tank, how much water flows, and at the end user, how much water is going, and if there is any leakage and all, it can detect using the sensor. Solid waste management we have done. If you are from Shimoga, you might have seen that RFID tags are there, and like when the auto comes to collect the garbage and all, in that case you may get a notification, and once they collect the garbage, in that case it will be notified. So a lot of so we are not talking about just normal coding and all, rather how exactly we can use the overall IT by using the infrastructure management services, by using the IoT, by using AI, video analytics, machine learning. So we do it practically. So there are many such projects on which we work, and it is very large project like Jammu and Kashmir GST department. We manage the complete IT infrastructure of theirs. So that way, we are into services, we know what exactly is the need of the industry. So when we talk about training vertical alone, in that case, we are having skill development as one vertical. Then we are also having academic training where we have tied up with IITs, IIMs, and all that. And then we are having the global IT certification. So where we are the partners with Microsoft, IBM, Cisco, and all this. So we are, sorry, okay. So we are also doing the kind of, certification program along with them. So these are the, this is our background. So we have been in this industry for the last 26 years. We have trained more than 12 lakh students. We have placed more than 8 lakh students. Uh, we are good with the different options like IT services. We do the training. We have the placements, staffing. Okay. So with this, now come to the subject, that is, and our presence is all across the country. We do have some uh, global and offices. So anyway, that I wanted to give you the introduction. That's done. Now let's come to the point of yours. What exactly is internship? Okay. So what is internship? Rather than me asking you what exactly is internship, I would like to hear from you. I would like to know that what exactly is your idea about internship. So probably I will run a show. We will have a kind of interactive session because I understand all of you have just connected and uh, opened the, I'm not able to see you, I'm not able to talk to you. So what I'm going to do now is I will give you a QR code and you can scan it, and then we will run some poll where I would like to hear from you. So when we talk about internship, so what exactly is your idea? What do you think about internship? So let us play a game. All right. Can you scan it? There is no harm. This is a Kahoot. This is Kahoot, one of the app. So if you scan it, in that case, you can do the polling. So if you have the mobile phone with you, using your mobile phone, you scan it and put your name, whatever the name you want. Very good. You guys are great here. Uh, Join fast and don't hesitate. So this is the way how I can communicate with you, right? So go ahead and join fast, and then you can start giving your input. When I ask you any of the question, feel free to give your input, whatever you feel is the correct answer. So on your screen, 4 options will be given. Whichever you feel that as per you is the right answer, you select that answer. Okay. You will be having 30 seconds to give your answer. So I think that is more than enough. But as it is the first time I'm interacting with you, so 10 to 15 seconds should have been enough, but I have kept it as 30 seconds so that you can think about it, you can read the question, and then you can answer. So yes, join fast. I don't want to waste my time. And then we will be having 8 to 10 questions. So first 4, 5 now and 5 at the end of the session. Go ahead, make it fast. We will wait for another 5 to 10 seconds. Otherwise, and we will start. Okay. So if you have not joined, join it fast. And if not, there is nothing to worry. You can also see what exactly your colleague and the friends are answering. So this is only to know your mind, because if I am designing, it's not that I have already designed something. I also want the input, and we can make the changes in our internship program. So for that, your input is very much required. So I don't want to just go and push whatever is there with me on you. Rather, what I want is whatever you give the input, based on that, we will design the product. All right, so I will stop it now, and we'll go ahead with the question. Okay, so I stop and go to start the question. So now you will find on your screen the same thing. I asked what is internship, right? So as per you, what is internship? You need to answer. Yeah, go ahead. You have 20 seconds. You can answer fast. What you feel as per you is the internship. Make it fast. Only 500. Others were slow. You have to answer fast. I don't know, like I wanted to go ahead with 30 seconds. It is by default setting is so perfect. Like, 373 of you are saying the temporary work experience program for gaining skills in a specific field. So, okay, one of the word which is coming very close here is skills, right? A permanent job position in a company. Uh, Not exactly, because internship is not a permanent position in a company. Rather, once you complete the internship, many companies, they give you the return offer that, okay, fine, you have completed the internship. Now you can continue with us. But it's not a permanent job offer. That's the reason it is called internship. It's not a job. uh, a volunteer program with no focus on skill development. I don't know who has selected that, because obviously, like, it's you can, but that may not be considered as an internship. So that's what happened. Now see, what is happening. The purpose of internship is that before I get into the job, I should know what is the culture, what kind of, how exactly to behave, how exactly to work on the different projects, uh, how you can communicate with your colleagues. So all these things, when you learn, in that case, it makes your life easier when you go for the for the real-time job. Okay, so the purpose is that a temporary work experience where you are gaining the different skills, but at the same time, what is happening today that companies are not coming forward, they are not giving the opportunity. So hardly 4 to 5% of the candidate only get into the real-time company, right? So and then what happens, you go here and there and do some training, get. So suppose now I am a BTech, I am doing in computer science, and then I go to some shop and I work for like that is what I have mentioned here, a volunteer program with no focus on skill development. So I go to a kirana shop and there I am going and working, or I go to some of one of the mall and there I am working for the sales. So probably that is not what, as per me, I would consider it as an internship, even though you are going and working. But what I would be looking for more is kind of on the similar trade you should work where what you are doing your courses and all. Okay, a type of scholarship for academic excellence, maybe yes. Okay, so yes, so next question. So as you can see, the winner is temporary work experience program for gaining skills in a specific field. Get ready for the next question. I want to read your mind before I decide the internship. So what is your idea? Working on a real client project, then strong mentorship and guidance, stipend plus practical exposure, certification plus job readiness, right? So you are having here mixed. So most of you want, more of you want the working on the real client project, and then strong mentorship and guidance. So these are the two really critical factor which I would like to take it forward. Yeah, certification, if I'm getting that would be an add-on to the whatever the offerings I get. Stipend plus practical exposure. So practical exposure definitely we need. So many of you are not bother about what is a stipend, but at the same time, what I can see that you want to work on the real-time project and you want. So this is very important. I'm going to cover this in the next session. So you want to work on the real time project and you want a strong mentorship and guidance, right? So that is what I'm taking forward from here, that you want a real time project. So it should not be like, in whatever at my time also I have done that library management and hospital management and also similar kind of project should not be done, right? So what you should do is something real time, and there must be good, strong mentorship and guidance should be there. Okay, fine. Now the next one, another two, and then we will go back to your how we are going to organize. What's your plan to get an internship? Already you have applied somewhere, applied through LinkedIn and other job platform, reached out to senior for referrals, asked parents to contact relatives for opportunities, online paid internship, applied through LinkedIn and other job platforms. Great. So that is the maximum. So you are putting your effort. But at the same time, I'm not sure that what you have applied out of that, how many exactly you have got. Because if you would have already got it, in that case, nothing like it. So I would really appreciate, I want that you should get the real-time internship opportunity. But at the same time, if it is not, in that case, there is nothing to worry. I'm going to explain you what are the options we are having with us. Last one. What motivated you to apply for an internship at Rooman Technologies? Okay, so to gain real technical skills, to work on live project, to explore career opportunity, because Rooman is a trusted brand. Okay, so it is to gain real technical skills. Fine. So again, we came to the skill itself, right? So first question also that you want to get a skill out of this project. And then here again, we are back to that same, that is, we want to get the real technical skill. Great. Now let me go back to my presentation. Mm, so yeah, I think this is no more required. So you have already told the same short-term professional experience for student or is it graduate. You need the hands-on learning, practical skills, real-world task under mentor guidance, right? Provides opportunity to learn, network, and explore the career. It can be paid, unpaid, in person, virtual, or hybrid. No matter, I need the knowledge, right? So basically, this last one, internship often bridges the gap between academic and employment. So I'm not here to take your classes, and also I will not get into much of detail. I'm just wanted to give you certain. So see, basically, as I told, like if you get a internship in one of the company and the company is good, reputed company, please go ahead and join that. That should be your first priority. We are not here to tell you that, okay, no, you go ahead with this or that. So, yes, if there is a good company, good profile, and also you should see what exactly they are offering you on internship. So, that's very important. Now, if you don't, if you're not getting it into the industry, in that case, what? So then you can also look for at least gaining some skills. If you are not getting the option to work in a company, in that case, at least you should look to work to gain some knowledge, right? And for that, you can see that even AICT also allows it. They say that a minimum of 14 to 20 credit of internship, entrepreneurial activity, project work, seminar, intra-institutional training may be counted towards BTech degree program and 10 to 14 credits for 3 years diploma program. So if we are doing a 14 to 20 credit program, in that case, it can be considered for your internship. So what we have done this already. Courses we have last year, previous year, we have given the program where we have done the complete training. So it was more kind of a training. So AI data quality analyst, AI machine learning, application developer. So I will just take you back what we have done, and then I will be coming back that what exactly I have for you for the future. Okay. So these are the programs what we have done in the previous year. And it was a like, different kind of option we gave. This was the first time in India that multiple players came together to give the value add to the student. So Rooman, we kept the name as winner. You see, Vadwani, IIT, IBM, NASCOM, NSDC, and Rooman. So first character of each, we kept the name as winner. And in that, Rooman gave the training for 165 hours. And suppose like AIML we taught. IBM gave the 90 hours of project-based learning. So it was some project based on their case studies. They have given some project, and based on that, students were able to submit the project. Then IIT was also the part of it. They gave some expert training and they selected one or two students from each institution for the research internship. And ultimately, Vadvani Foundation was having the offer that we will be giving you the training on the soft skills and the communication skill and resume building and all. And ultimately, NASSCOM told that, okay, fine, we will be allowing you to put it on the our talent hunt portal so that it can help you with the placements and all. So this was the program what we have created, and students got 5 different certificates. Like one certificate was from NCVT, that is National Council for Vocational Training, where, like you see, they got the academic credit also, 17 credit for the 510 hours of program, like that. So this credit you can use. You can see it is the NSQ of level 5 credit. So as per the new education policy, this NCVT credit can be used for higher education. So suppose if you want to do MS or MBA, in that case, you can encash this credit. So this is from the government of India. You got the certificate, then they get the certificate from IBM, like project on automatic number plate recognition with machine learning. So in place of you going and doing a project in some of the shop or somewhere, so this obviously makes a difference because uh, on your resume, when you say that I have done a project with IBM, that definitely gives a value to your resume, right? So that's the second certificate. Then this kind of certificate was there from IIT Guwahati for the completing the advanced certificate in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Then Badwani Foundation for the employability skills, and Rooman. So 5 certificates were offered, and see, this is the kind of projects which was there. So like, it is not real time. It is not that project to product you can do, but yes, it is kind of capstone project. So you have already studied, and whatever the knowledge you are having, with that you should develop some project. So these are the projects what student has developed. So like machine learning may, there were 10 of the projects were there. So real time language translation, cognitive customer insight, automated mode selection. So there are different types of projects what we have given. Now similarly, if you go to DevOps, in that case, and this is the number which is like the number of candidate who has selected these projects, okay, who has joined this particular project. So cloud application engineer, web development, then your AI data quality analyst. So these are the different programs, like project improving data accuracy in CRM using AI, NLP based automated cleansing for healthcare data, improving text analytics data quality with advanced NLP, real-time quality validation for streaming data using AI. So this way, different project was given, and for which IBM has provided the certificate to the students. There was placement support, but this is, I am talking about the past. We have given them the access to LMS. Coding was built in so that you can do your coding and we can keep a track that how exactly you are working. Those things are already there with us. Now that's the past. AI tutor assistance and all. So what was happened in the past? Total 204 number of colleges for VTU, out of that 165 participated, and this is the kind of 116 of the colleges they participated, total 18,000 students to whom we trained, and they did the project with us. Now this year again we are having 18,000 plus. As of today itself, we are having this number. I will just take you directly online itself. So this is your VTU internship. Oh, it is not 18,000 now, it is 19,428. So this is the overall people who has applied to us, right? So if I go to the dashboard, let me see what happened to it. Okay. I think website is really slow off. So almost like, you say roughly 20,000 people have applied and still they have been applying. So now last year we have already done, we have given the training, we have given the project to 18,000 plus student. We know how to handle, we know how to give them the training and what they need. Now, anyway, so this is very common, I am finding. Okay. So as you have seen already, some 19,000 students have applied, right? Now, I don't think I would be able to, because this is very, very slow. And I see internships. Oh, no. There's some issue with their website. Okay. Okay, let me go back. So now there are three programs. That's the reason I wanted to show you that what are the three programs. Okay, fine. So we are having here, you can see that we have free, stipend, and paid. Okay, so these are the three different programs for which students have applied, right? So suppose for stipend, what is the criteria we are having? So maybe everyone, obviously stipend, everyone will apply, but is that we are really going to take everyone? Answer is no, because on stipend, we have given 100 seats, right? So yes, we will pay you and we are going to take 100 of the candidates, and what they will do, that my project team will explain you that what would be your role and all. So as you can see here, that vacancy, I think this is visible to you also, right? So you know what is the vacancy on the stipend, what is the vacancy on the free. So let me go what you will be doing in each of these. So there are three categories: stipend, free, paid. Okay, I think this is more or less I have already covered. So what exactly is a stipend internship? So in stipend internship, we are going to pay you 10,000 rupees per month for 3 months. Okay, so 3 months we will be having the internship, and in those 3 months, we will be paying you 10,000 rupees per month, but and directly we will be putting you on the project. So you will be working on the live project, which we are doing it for our clients or our internal project. The second one, but here we need throughout, you should have, like in your 10th, in your 12th, and as of today, if you are having 90% or 9 CGPA, then only we are going to consider you for this particular stipend. And for that, you have to also take a test and a one-on-one interview, because you just see, I have already shown you the numbers, right? So out of 20,000, I have to select 100. So I need the best ones. And I can tell you from here, if you are the part of stipend, in that case, it is as good as like, confirmed job. We can give you the return offer. Or else if you are able to create some product, we can give you the option of startup. You can start with some company and all. Okay. The other one, free internship, minimum 85%. So it is as good as second in command, because here the numbers are limited 100. But still, if you want to, so it is a similar thing you have to do. And if you are having 85% and you are able to qualify and entrance test if you pass. So here we are having 300 numbers. So this would be kind of a free internship. So where neither you are paying nor we are paying. But at the same time, you will be working on the program, you will be working on the project, and I will come to the concept of our project. So one, in the stipend internship, we already are working on the AI development, AI product development. So there are different products what we are going to develop that my product team will talk to you. Development team I will be connecting. In pre-internship, you have to come out with a project. So it is how exactly you will come out with a project. It is very simple. I'm saying the mod is, I don't want to conduct the classes here. Usually now I can see in your internship portal, it is most of the training institutes have only joined. And you go, then they will be again teaching you the same full stack Java, full stack Python, and software testing and all that. I feel that in today's era, when we are having the AI and all that, it is not required that you have to do the coding and the testing and all that can be done by AI. So in fact, I don't know ABCD of the programming, but at the same time, if I go to Replit, or maybe in front of you itself, I can go to manus.im. This is a good one. It is able to give me, what is that? Continue with Gmail. So it can create the whole app for me within no time. What is okay? Anyway, so I don't know. It is acting crazy. Might be my team will show you all that. Uh, uh, When Manju, you can show that how exactly we do the development. And also what I wanted to tell you that for the uh, development and all, we don't need big training. So here we are changing the model now. What we are saying, if you can understand the basics, then we are having AI to help you. So this first one is stipend internship, where we are saying 100 of the candidate directly you will be working on the live project, which we are developing. The second one, the free internship, in which we will be asking you, or we will identify certain problem statement, and on that we will work, right? Like one of the problem statement is, why the resume of yours available on the LinkedIn? Why not of that carpenter or the electrician? Because those guys also have the skills. In fact, they should put their skills that, okay, fine, I can, when I say carpenter, either he can make a very small something, or he's a big artist. Or when I say electrician, either he can just repair a switch or he can repair a transformer. When I say plumber, either he can repair a tap or he can work on the jacuzzi. So you cannot make out. So why they are not able to put their resume? Because of the communication. So you know English, you can put your resume. They don't know, they cannot highlight their skills. But today, using your NLP, we can do the language conversion. So my AI agent can go and ask that, okay, fine, tell me how exactly, who are you, what work you have done, what is your experience, and all these things can be put in the English, and we can create a resume. So that kind of lot of such things, like, we can come out with what exactly is the real time problem. So AI will help us. We will go ahead with the AI development. AI product development. So here AI product development can be done under your free internship. So where we will be, we are not going to go ahead with whatever I have shown you the previous year, what we have done the project. So that is the captive project. So rather than that, we are in free internships. So in stipend internship, as I mentioned, already we are working on the project. You will be working on that team where we are having the people from IIT, NIT. So those are the guys. So they would be your supervisor. Free internship, we will identify some 10, 20 of the real-time problem. And on that, we will have one-on-one interview and then we will assign it you in that. So neither you are paying nor we are paying. So there would be some training and project, but you should have good knowledge. We are not going to start from the basics like what is the array and what is the function and all that. Now the third category, you say that, okay, fine, no, I don't have much idea what I want to utilize this time. At least after this 3 months, I should be in a position to get some job. So that is what is your paid internship. So where it is typically we will be conducting some classes and all. But again, it would not be, we will not be going in too much in depth. Rather, it will be more project specific. And also we will be in this, suppose if you feel that, okay, fine, your communication skill is not that great, or you need some improvement on the soft skills, don't hesitate. See, this 3 months is very crucial for you. Try to first identify yourself, that what you are and where you fit. There is no harm here, even if we are saying, okay, fine, we will be charging you 12,000 rupees. But the program, what we will be giving you, that is worth 1 lakh. So you can as well opt for this, because here we will not have any limitation on the numbers and all. We can go ahead, more number of candidate we can take it, because as we are also one of the training companies. So we have the training division, we have the services division, right? So these two programs are for our services division. This is for our training division. So how exactly you will be going ahead with this? So in that case, we are having online, we are having offline, we are having hybrid. So online, suppose if you say that, okay, fine, I want to do completely online. In that case, at least you do it in online mode, but at least 1 week you should come and attend that. So that is what your online plus will get converted into hybrid. Offline, we are having our office in Rajajinagar in Bangalore and Electronic City. Probably we can also set up one in Davangere. So you can be the part of the team in Bangalore and you can do the development and all. So for your stipend, it is 100% that you have to be in offline at our office. You have to work, wherein for the free and the free, it is we can work on online as well as hybrid. So you will be assigned the project. There would be mentors. You can consult them and everything will be there on the LMS. So whatever the assignment, project management will be there. So what project we have assigned you, that monitoring will be done through that itself. So how we will work? So how exactly we are going to work is, it is, first of all, we will discuss with you. It is very simple. I'm giving you one example. I don't want to give you a project that is library management or hospital management or something that is traditional for the last donkey of years people have been doing. What I will ask you, and today it is possible with AI, we will go ahead in the research mode and ask AI, okay, fine, tell me what are the problems of my area. Let it do the research. It will tell you that in the last 5 years in the newspaper, what all problems is being highlighted. Now you know the problem statement. So you have suppose 5 of the problems in your area, in your city. So now you start working on it. So it is not that whatever is already there that you are doing something. So might be it is related to the traffic, might be it is related to the solid waste management, might be it is related to the atmosphere, might be it is related to the weather. So next, we will ask how exactly we can help. We take the details. We will have the mentors. We are having 200 of plus mentors who is volunteering with us, who all are like very much achievers. They work for the companies like Microsoft, Cisco, IBM at senior director level. And also it is not for any other reason, but they are joining us for the volunteer purpose so that they want to help you. They want to mentor you. So those people will help you. Those people will come and explain you that what you should do, how you should do and all. So identify the problem, decide, yes, this problem I am going to solve. Who knows that you may develop some product which can take you to be an unicorn. Secondly, traditional, what is happening now, you go, you do a particular course, you go to some training company, they will do make you do some course, and then ultimately you develop some project and all and submit it and forgot. Here we are not going to take only engineering graduates. What we are doing is we are taking the MBAs, we are taking MCA. So we are taking the candidates from the different vertical. So suppose once you identified that, okay, fine, I want to create a company which can resolve the problem of the traffic of Bangalore. Now, how it is possible? What can be done? So suppose we will make some plan. Now there could be the people, or else I'm saying that we come out with a plan that how I can create an LMS, learning management system, which can give the personalized learning to the students. Everyone is not the same, right? So now we take the candidates. There would be two of the persons from HR background, from MBA. So that is, we will create a typical office setup. Then there would be a salesperson. So there, the project will get divided into multiple. So suppose if I am creating an LMS, in that case, how content management can be done, how the sales can be done. So how exactly you are going to plan the things. So basically, what is the purpose of internship is that I don't want to teach you. I don't want to give you training. See, it is very simple. Today, if you want to learn, in that case, every information is available online. You can always learn. And if you don't want to learn, in that case, no one can help you. So it is very simple. We will give you the assignments. Okay, fine. Go through this topic and finish this assignment. So you have to put your own effort. Try to find out different resources, videos, learn from it, do your assignment. If you are stuck somewhere, yes, we have the trainers and all who will help you in concepts. Your mentor will be guiding you for the project. So we will be having a complete office setup. It is as good as like 20 persons are working, and we will set up a company where we are having the HR, we are having the salesperson who is creating the sales script. Now he tries to, so if you want in a virtual mode, in that case, we will be your customer. You have to convince us. So your salesperson will come and he will say, hey, I am creating this kind of product. Would you be interested? And we will say why we will not be interested. He will come back. He will say to the product team that no, we need to make these changes in our product. We need to make these changes in our software. So it would be real time kind of. And suppose if your product is really so good, let your salesperson who is from the MBA college and all, let him go and real time pitch to the customer. And if you are getting the good response, you are done. By the time you come out of your college, you should set up a company. And that's what I told you, project to product. So we will help you with that. So that is the overall concept what we are having, not just training, but we want to give you the complete, and where all you can do that. So it can be on the different domains. It is all future skills. So we are not going to get into the software testing and your website development and all. Rather, it is cloud and DevOps, web development, Gen AI and machine learning, data analytics, cyber security, app developments. All these are the verticals which you can choose whatever is of your interest. Obviously, we will be taking BTech, MBA, MCA, all these people final year. And as I have mentioned that even if you want to go for the paid training program also, we need a minimum of 60%, because if you have the knowledge, basic knowledge, we can make you further good. But if you lack on the basics, I cannot help. So how exactly you will join? So assessment and selection process is, now we will display you a QR code. You can submit your application form where you can be very clear that what category you want, what exactly you want. Maybe I will run you through that. Then we will have a domain-wise assessment, which can be done maybe day after tomorrow. So once you tell what exactly you want to do, are you really interested? We have also sent the offer to few of the candidates. So if you have received your offer, so this is very important point. And in the future also, when we will send the offer to you, you have to accept within 48 hours. If you don't, in that case, we will cancel it and we will give the chance to others. Because as we have put the limited numbers, as you can see that 100, 300, like that, we have put the numbers. So we can only take those many candidates. It's not a open number that whatever the numbers we want. So if you get an offer, you have to accept in the 48 hours. If it is not, in that case, we will cancel so that that bucket can get free. And in that, we can push some more student. Okay. So once interview is selected, we will give you offer letter. Offer letter you need to accept within 48 hours of issue of that. And suppose if it is paid one, in that case, you need to pay to the VTU portal within that time and accept the offer. If it is stipend or free, in that case, you have to go and you have to accept your offer. If it is not done within 48 hours, in that case, we are going to disconnect you. Okay. We will take back our offer. Now, as I told you, so what exactly you will get it under this project is you will be getting the hands-on project, mentor support, weekly evaluation, industry grade tools. We will be giving you, like, if you want to do something on the models, suppose LLMs, and also we will download and we give you the access. You start working on the models, you develop some applications on that. Now, anyway, I don't want to get into that. My technical team will talk. So these are the real-time project examples what we are planning. So probably I would stop here and I will invite my development team head. So Manjunath will take with his team from here so that he can talk to you in his technical language. Manju, are you there?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah.
I'll take up.
You can switch on your cameras and you can take it forward.
Hi, everyone. Good evening. So, thanks for joining for late evening. It's good you joined. So, the internship will be completely different, as sir explained now. In the recent days, uh, intelligence and intellect is everywhere. So, the only thing is, intellect is like a knife. So you should be knowing how to use it. That's all the only thing that you have to understand about. And the projects which are listed here is the very recent and which is one which is going in the market. For example, you can see about neural signal processing system. So nowadays, the systems are coming up wherein which they can integrate with a neural system of the human body. So that means the ECG is recorded, the pulse from the body is recorded, and it has been integrated with the systems in a software. So in that kind of software, in a lower base, we are trying to build up a project related to that. And this is an initial step for that one. And also the intelligent AI avatar system that which nowadays in the most of the platforms we are seeing the AI created series, web series. You are seeing AI created systems and all. So this is completely related to that, and still few of the AI avatars are in the platform, but the price of that particular avatar models are very much costly, and it's not completely into the market. So this is also a very hyped concept which is running in the market now. So we are also concentrating on this particular project. So AI avatar system, wherein which we will work on open source models, or also we'll develop a model which can be used to create an AI avatar. Maybe we'll be using a different cloud partners, like AWS will be using SageMaker, or we'll be using Azure, or also even if needed, we'll go with GCP. Okay, so that is one of the idea I'm just giving. Like you can use AWS SageMaker and you can deploy this model and you can start training it, or else we'll try to test that particular open source model, and we'll also train that models. So that is the main intention of this particular project. And the next one is also like enterprise database rack system is also highly demand in the different B2B businesses, wherein which they have lot of content, and that content has to be reused with an user or the customers, wherein which they wanted to. Okay, just the screen went off. Uh, I was speaking about a rack system which has a content over it. So that is also one of the major important thing which is running in the customer's platform now. So we have a different rack system wherein which multiple documents are stored in a document way, and that same documents will be used back for the user to ask questions. It will be in a chunks, and the major issue right now is to establish a connection between the chunks in the vector database is actually they are struggling. So, and this is the right time if we are able to build some system wherein which we can have a connection between the chunks in the vector database. That will be one of the good concept innovation. And also you can build some products on based on that also. So that major one. At the same time, the next product, like we are also like, okay, this one is also very much interested. You can create a local intelligence server. So with the help of Raspberry Pi, and it's a very a limited kind of idea, like wherein which we can build this complete local server with a Raspberry Pi 5, which has GPU capabilities, and this can be used in a higher level also, wherein which the people can maintain their local server, and they can have the complete different dashboard to maintain their local system, and also use AI in their local system. So that is why that is the idea of having this Raspberry Pi 5 private intelligence server. So that is why this project is there. And then AI powered network security system. So nowadays this network security system from long time it is there, and even then the human intervention is there wherever it is needed. When some external interface has happened on the particular network, we usually have some kind of an automation that detects the malware attack or phishing attack, whatever it is. But if we are using AI to like to check this kind of activities, the common vulnerability exposures, and that will be a good innovation with the existing system. So that is the major intention of having this project. And we are also working on most of the projects, and we have some of the products on based on these things also. And then finally, serverless AI pipeline with AWS Lambda and Bedrock, it is also very much important because these services are very much recently established in this year, like AWS Bedrock services and all. It has been recently in this year, actually, it is established for an AI programs in AWS, and that is more competitive. And also the GPUs which are running in the AWS Bedrock are very much important. So we'll also learn about this AWS Lambda services with the Bedrock, and also we'll be deploying some of the models inside this, and we'll be connecting to the different front-end and back-end projects. So we are thinking about some kind of microservices deployment in this AWS Bedrock and using them in a different platform. That is a major idea of this particular serverless AI pipeline with AWS Lambda and Bedrock. So this is the overall thing. And at the same time, all these projects are being done in a different way, in a different verticals that already previously explained. So in a way, I can say you'll be having the product team. That product team will also support you while you're developing any of the product here. And there will be a proper structure. So you can use any kind of tools that you are wishing, but there will be a proper structure. That means you develop each and every feature, you raise a PR with a proper documentation and writing what the feature you have developed, take a screenshot, take a recording of that, and you raise a PR, and one of them will merge it to the proper code version control system, and that will be documented properly, and that can be used for your presentation. At the same time, you can document it, and also you can present it in your college and in your further career journey. So that is, and this overall environment, building the environment at the same time, properly arranged structure is very much important in any kind of development. So that will be that is a major thing that you'll be learning here. At the same time, you have a free open space wherein which you can share your ideas. At the same time, you can start learning with other people who are in our development team. Like we have most of the team from like IIT, NITs, and more the good knowledgeable peoples we have, and you can interact with them, you can learn from them, and also at the same time you can start developing. So that is the major prospects you can expect here. So, and also you'll be having, I think, different exposures, like you can connect with the online mentors also, and they will talk with you. Like in, for example, if you are stuck in any kind of feature development and you are struggling to identify how you can solve it, you can just connect with one of our mentors and online, and you can discuss with them, and they'll help you to resolve that issue also. So this is what the overall, as I said, the proper structure will be. Then even for there is a good scope for DevOps and deployment also. We have a good team of DevOps cloud. The people who are willing to learn about DevOps deployment and SRE, that is very much interesting. And even the cloud architecture also is very much important nowadays, because whatever the AI structure you have, like whatever the code you have, the proper AI cloud structure is very much important. So that is also having a good scope in the recent years. So concentrate on that also at the same time. Any questions?
All right. So thanks, Manjunath. Am I audible? That my mic is on. There's something. It's okay. All right. Thanks, Manjunath. So now, as we have seen that kind of project, so this is just the template we are showing. And as I told you, like, we are open to work on further going ahead and creating more project with you. So probably Manjunath, if you could have given the example of what we are doing on our LMS, like what are the voice agent and content agent and all that, how we are creating. So probably in 2 minutes, if you can tell that what product we are working on, and on that, how this person, whoever is coming under stipend, they would be joining. So that would be great.
Sure. So we have a learning management system, like it is a completely autonomous and personalized, wherein which we have a different microservices. For example, as Sir said, we have a separate microservices for a voice agent. We have a separate microservices for a personalized agent, and then there is a separate microservices for module agent, something like that. So each one of these microservices do different kind of task, and when it is in a production, so each services can be scaled up whenever the users are in more demand. So at the same time, all these services are connected to a single backend and front end, and there is a complex structure that has been built in the cloud to use this complete microservices with front end and backend. And we have a different team working on front end and backend and these microservices separately, and that will be deployed in a different AWS services like AWS Bedrock, and few of the services are deployed in AWS Lambda. So this is how the complete structure looks like, and these microservices supports the running of front and back end seamlessly, and there will be no issues. For example, these services can be separately scaled up, and there will be not an issue with the front end and back end. If there is any kind of front end and back end issue in previous cases, in previous platforms and all, they used to be have an issue with these kind of microservices also, because these kind of microservices was there in a back end itself. Nowadays it is not like that, it is completely separate. That means they can run separately and they can be scaled separately, and that is what the major thing which we are doing now.
All right, thank you. So apart from maybe if you are the part of the stipend team, in that case, you will be working with Manju's team, where we have almost some 40-50 people. And apart from that, you will also have the kind of, these are the mentors from the industry, so who all are working for the reputed companies and all, who can further guide you with their experience. So now we have completed the presentation. So as there are 3 types of mentorship, and you can opt for any of that. In the next screen, I am going to give you the QR code, which you can, just scan, and you can fill the form. But before that, I would like to answer any of your questions. So what mode you would like? I think it's better that you raise your hand, and I will start giving you the access to the mic. So, okay. Mute participant. Can you give the access to the people who has raised the hand? Give the access to the mic. You can unmute and you can talk. Yeah. Any doubts you can ask me now? I don't think so they are able to unmute. Okay, by the time, let me do the troubleshooting. So you can take a snap of this code, and maybe afterwards you can start filling it. But in the meanwhile, let me check if I can open up the chat. I feel I'm not sure if you're able to access.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Tell me.
This is Vaidya, sir, speaking.
Yes,
Thank you for the
go ahead.
insights about the internship, sir. It was very interesting session and it was interacting too.
Please
Sir,
go
may I
ahead.
know the timeline of this internship? As you have mentioned, it is 3 months. When will it
Yep.
start and what is the end date of the internship?
So as per your college guidelines, so as I understand that it will be January first week, it will be starting. So Jan, Feb, March, probably these are the 3 months which would be intensive we will be doing. And suppose if you want, in that case, it can extend to another 1 month. That is maximum till April it will go. So it is as per your college, as per your university's guidelines.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir, as you have mentioned this paid and stipend internships and free internships, after attending the test, if we doesn't get selected in the free or stipend internship and still willing to continue with the Roman technologies, can we opt the paid internships?
Exactly. So what you can do is what I will do is I will just run you through the form what you have got so that I can tell you what are the features in that. Where is that form? 1 minute. So yeah, probably what you have to do. Let me share the screen. Yes. So now when you start filling the form, you may get this form. So you have to give your first name, last name, mobile, email, city, wherever you are. And you have to give your 10th marks detail like 10th board, maybe CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, whatever state board. 10th school name, 10th percentage, right? Then 12th PUC board, either whichever the board you have. Then college name or school name, whatever, and the PUC percentage. Then highest qualification you can select. So one is for the circuit branch, one is so we have made it other different parts. So you can select your B Tech in electronics or B Tech in mechanical, whatever. Then mention the course stream. So suppose course stream in the sense like now in IT also you are having cyber security or BTech in data science or something like that. So that you can mention it over here. Mention the college name, university name. Anyhow, most of you are from VTU, so you can mention the same. Current CGPA, whatever is as of now, whatever is your CGPA or the percentage, you can mention. That is about academic. Now coming back, what exactly you have to do? Prefer domain for internship. So which domain you want to do your internship in, that you can highlight it over here. And here it is a multiple option. So uh, you select, if suppose if you are very much determinant that yeah, I want to go ahead with online only, select only online. But suppose if you say okay fine, might be I can go for offline as well as online, in that case you can select like this. So multiple options are there. And then what mode of internship? I want to work on a real time project in the office. I want to attend the training first. Any option is fine with me. So one is that we are telling you that you have to will be doing the real time project. The second thing, in the paid one, what I have mentioned, that you have to you attend the training if you are not sure about it. Where is the paid and this thing here? I told Jayashree to check. So here we will be having the category where you are internship category which you are applying for. So here you are having stipend, so which we have mentioned as you will be paid. So suppose if you say that okay fine, might be I understand that this is the priority, that first one you would like to go for a stipend, then free, then paid. So what you can do is, suppose you say okay fine, I want to go for a stipend. If not, if I'm not selected, I am also willing for paid. So when you are selecting multiple option, we understand that okay fine, so what will happen? So suppose if we are conducting, because we don't have so much of time also, so you can give that option. So we know that okay, might be if you don't get stipend, you are willing to go for paid. But suppose if this is the option stipend, that means I know that okay fine, If you get me stipend, it is fine. Otherwise, I will look for someone else. I will look for some other company. I'm not interested in your company. So that way it is, we have defined the form for you. So see to go through that. And probably now what we will do is WhatsApp community, what we have created. Now we will open up that so that you can also communicate with us. So if there is any doubt and all, in that case, you can just drop the message, or if you have not joined the community, in that case, you just join the WhatsApp group so that we will be available to you anytime you want to reach us. Hope this will clarify your concerns.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone else?
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Muhammad Mubashir is here.
Yeah, tell me, Mohan.
Yeah. Sir, I have one. Thank you for this opportunity. I just wanted to know, sir, when will be the offer letter has been going to release, sir?
See, we have already released for few. So that's the thing what I told, that like, now you will fill the form. So for
No, I
whomever
have
we
got
have
an offer released from company.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, sir. Then I have accept and paid the amount.
Okay.
Yeah. So when will be the offer letter going to release, sir?
Yeah, so that we will be immediately, we will be sending the letter. So that we will have an automated process. So we wanted a confirmation from the VTU. So once if suppose if you are going for the paid program, and if you go and register yourself by making the payment, we will be releasing it within 24 hours. So from tomorrow, we will be working on that.
Yeah, sir. Because
Sir, how to
one friend of mine, there is no free internship and stipend internship for cybersecurity domain. So I wanted to work in your I wanted to learn in your company. So I have joined a paid internship.
That's good. No, that's what I told. See, there is nothing like, it is ultimately we need to work and we need to learn. So when you talk about future skills, in that case, obviously we are number one in India right now. So we offer like, we train 45,000-50,000 students every year. So that way there is no harm. So better you learn rather than, see, we can go and we can fool others. We should not, if make ourselves convince unnecessarily. So suppose if you feel that, yeah, this is the time I need to learn some skills, better go ahead with the paid, learn it, because this will be very much useful. Otherwise, what happens now, you say, okay, fine, I want job, or I want internship, I want paid internship, anything, I want stipend internship. So you go somewhere, it is not relevant, then unnecessarily you're wasting your precious time. So time is the money, right? Time is important. So you see to that. If you feel that, yeah, so I'm saying that you don't change your track. If you want AIML,
Yes.
it should be AIML. You want cybersecurity, it should be cybersecurity. So no
Yeah.
need of changing your track. So make sure that, so that is very much critical for you. So
Yes, sir.
for
I have
you, we will
already
be
done that.
releasing the offer later. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I have already done that, and I have
Sir,
paid
Great.
for
Very
in the
nice.
portal also.
We will be tomorrow itself. We will be releasing that. We will be sending you.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, how to selection is free, sir.
Okay, so now this QR code also I wanted to display so that you people can fill the form. So I will keep
Sir,
that
can I
displayed and I will be explaining to you.
hello,
And
sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Tell me.
Sir, I have a question. According to the VTU rules, it's a 15-week internship or a 4-month internship.
Correct.
So it can be extendable. In the portal, you mentioned
That's what I
3
am
months.
saying. 15 weeks when you say in that case, 3 months we will be doing 3 months, and after that you will be working on your project. So 3 months is is our thing, and after that 3 weeks you will be, that is 12 to 13 weeks would be your 3 months. After that you can do the project
10th board
creation and all submission, all that can be done final one. So it is as per your
then now we
VTU
have to
itself.
get the 4-month certificate, no sir? 10th
Yes,
board.
we will. So it is 3 to 4 months you take it. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
And I applied for the Stephen internship. And
Yeah.
when I get
Unmute
the
one by one.
assessment and the interview.
We are starting from tomorrow. So if you have already got approval, in that case, better you accept it or reject it. If you have not,
So it's
in that case,
showing
from
just applied. They not showing any shortlisted and approved.
so we will do that. We will do that. So now from tomorrow we will start doing that. So we have released the offer letter to many of that. So if they have not accepted, but we will wait till tomorrow. From day after tomorrow, you will be finding that we will start doing. And in the meanwhile, now if you have applied, in that case, we will be sending. So now first thing is you fill this form. Once you fill the form, we will see what interest you have shown. Based on that, there would be a test. So as I told you, there would be an online test. Then there will be an interview. So your test will be starting from day after tomorrow. So today you fill it. Day after tomorrow would be the test. And after that, we will be starting with the interview and conclude it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Test will be for only stipend or paid internship also, sir?
For stipend and free, it is mandatory. As well as paid, we will be doing some basic tests. So questions will vary. So we want to have the test for everyone so that we take the good candidate and we should give you a good output.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Hi, sir.
Good evening.
So where the company is located
Sir,
in Bangalore?
Okay, we are at Rajaji Nagar and Electronic City.
Sir, my academic percentage is low,
Okay.
lesser than 85%. My CGPA is around 8. But I have already done a real capstone project with Samsung. Am I eligible for a free internship? And am I eligible to write a exam for free internship program?
You have 85%?
No, I don't have 85%, sir, but I have a real-time project experience. I have around 1,600 members were there in our college, and 1,200 members were written an exam for Samsung AML course, and only 40 were selected, and I was the one among them.
Fine. So if there is something exceptional, in that case, in the form, you make it as a remark field. Tell it to her. So that in that you remark field you mention, so that we will see to that if there is something exceptional what you want to announce. So in the form, the last one column we are putting as remarks. So in that you say that whatever you have mentioned now. So suppose if our team feels that, yeah, this is what you're claiming is required to be discussed, in that case, we will conduct an interview and they may select you.
Yes, I did not see
So what
any.
will be the hiring strategy for stipend internship?
Sorry?
Sir, I didn't see any remark column. Remark.
Yeah, it will be done in 2 minutes. It's done.
Okay.
Ask her to
Thank
do.
you, sir.
It is getting
For the free
Okay, thank you, sir.
From your side.
Hi, sir.
And is the last date,
Very
sir?
How many
Go ahead,
free seats are available
Hello?
for free internship,
Wait,
sir?
what I will do is I will ask I will tell the name, and based on that you ask the question. Otherwise, what is happening is many of you are talking and we are missing it. Can I see the hand raise and all? Where it is? And can you put this code on the chat itself so that they can copy if it is required? All right. So yeah.
So is this program is only internship or
you have
people offer
raised your
also?
hand. Soumya, if you're there, you can ask the question. So let me Then Soumya, Hardik Gowda. Not there. Okay, next. Who is there? We will go
Hello,
for
sir.
another. Yes, go ahead.
Thanks for the
Sir, it is
opportunity.
only
Like I have one
stipend
basic
internship
question.
offer.
Tell me.
Hmm.
Tell me what is the question.
Like as you mentioned, as you,
Hmm.
as you mentioned that there will be a qualifying test for the internship.
Hmm.
So on what basis are you making test, like it aptitude or technical test? So I want to ask.
It is, we will be having the normal from your syllabus. We will be having the questions and little bit, if suppose if it is the IT, in that case, some coding question will be there. Like we are not asking you to do the coding, but at the same time, it would be like, we will be giving you some script program and all, and what is the output. So this kind of questions would be there.
Okay, so
Sir,
like
will
the
there
test
be
will be
any
same for the
screening pattern?
all the so it will be different.
Sorry.
Sorry, the test will be same for the all domains, so it will be different for
No,
different
no,
domains.
it will be different. It will be different.
Okay, sir, got it.
Yeah.
How many
Next,
free
you tell
seats
your
are
name
available,
and
sir?
you give the ask the question so that I can announce it.
Hi, sir. This is Vinay.
Yeah, Vinay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. As you said, there is a free seats are available. How many seats are limited, sir, for a free internship?
Free, it's 300.
Okay.
So 100 is
What
stipend,
about
free is
stipend, sir?
300. Sorry,
What about stipend, sir?
100. 100 seats for stipend, 300 for the.
Sir, what will be the hiring criteria? Will be there any screening, or for all the people who fill the form will get the access link for test?
We will be sending you the because first of all we need to check your percentage and all, and suppose if by
Yeah,
chance,
yeah,
as one of
that's
the
what.
person was
Who will be
saying,
filling
like,
the form? Everybody will be getting the access.
yes, so once you fill the form, we will verify what is your percentage and all, and based on that, we will send you the link for the test, and also like which domain you want to do the project. So that is another important point. So don't try to select everything. Be very precise, at least in that which domain you want. So either you want to do it in AI/ML, you want to do in. So probably I will take 2 minutes and I will tell you, if you are very good in your programming and all that, then you go ahead with logical reasoning and all. In that case, you go ahead with AI/ML. If you feel that no, I'm good into the system administration, I don't want to do much of coding and all. In that case, you can look into that cloud and DevOps. If you want to get into the networking and cybersecurity, select networking and cybersecurity. You are not very good in the programming and all that. In that case, you can go, and still you want something related to the AI and all. In that case, AI data analytics you can go. So that is little lighter. There is not much
Sir,
of
sorry for the interrupt.
yeah. So
Sir,
1 minute,
in
let me complete.
VTU portal, we
So
applied for the product management, but in the form we can add another domain.
sorry.
In the VTU portal, we applied for the AI product management or product
Okay.
development course,
Yes.
but in the form, it's there AI/ML and product development. So we can apply for AI/ML, or we have to apply what we applied in the VTU.
AI/ML you can do. AI/ML you can.
Yes,
So
sir,
that is a
thank you.
domain what we have mentioned. We are not talking about the project here. So that's what I was explaining you, that
Yes.
you select the domain. So that you don't say that anything I will get, I am fine. So you see to that there you should be very precise that yes, my interest is in AI/ML or and it's not because your friend is selecting that AI/ML or AI/ML is something big. It is you should be in a position to do that. So that's the reason I mentioned you. If you are very good in programming, you do maths and statistics and all, then you go for AI/ML. If you are not good with that, in that case, go ahead with data analytics. If you want to get into the system side, don't want to get into the programming and all, cloud is doing good. So you can go for cloud and DevOps. DevOps itself, like, developer plus operations, right? And suppose you say that, no, I don't want to get into the development side at all. In that case, cybersecurity, networking. Okay. Yeah.
Sir,
So we
is
are
this
facing a
recording
problem in
hello, sir?
submission of form, sir.
What is the problem? Yeah. Tell me next. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Okay. So any other question? Or else anyhow, we are available on the WhatsApp. We are opening up WhatsApp. So probably you can send the messages and you can access anytime us. Okay. And also we have put the details about the internship and all on our portal, on our website also, rooman.com. So you can go to rooman.com and click on internship, and you
For the
can
inconvenience, sir.
check the details over there as well.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Excuse me, sir.
So it's
Tell me,
showing,
sir.
please contact your form administrator for the further assistance.
Error application file.
See what exactly they are doing.
Excuse me, sir.
So we are facing the error while we are submitting the form, sir.
Yes,
1
sir.
minute.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Sir, like if we opt for training internship, will we get both training and internship certificate, or else will be only provided with internship certificate?
Both training and internship.
Okay, like one more question, sir. If the company is facing some organizational problems, like can we get involved in that for gaining some experience to solve the real-time problems?
Yeah, that's what I told you, that we don't want to give you only the training. So this time, see, let me make it very clear. In fact, not only for this, we are going to change our training ecosystem itself. So now we don't want to train you the basics and all. So it is very simple, because now you go to ChatGPT and you ask, or there are so many AI tutors which is available. So that I will give you on the LMS itself, I will give you the access where we will be having AI tutor. So you ask any question, night 12 o'clock, you want, you stuck somewhere, you ask, okay, fine, what is this feature? And we have a LMS where we are having AI tutor. So AI tutor will be explaining it to you at your convenience in a personalized way, in the way you understand. So one thing is very simple, that what we were doing earlier, see, try to understand why we were going to school, because in the school we have a teacher who is having the brain, who is having all the knowledge. Today the knowledge is on the internet, online,
Getting
on
error
the
while
AI.
submitting the form, sir.
Wait,
Sir,
I will
getting
come
error
back.
while
They are
submitting
working
the
on
form.
it. So
Okay.
here, knowledge you can get it from AI, you can learn, AI tutor is there, AI tutor can teach you. What
Okay,
we
sir.
will be
So-
doing, we will be hand holding you, we will be doing the project, we will be giving the internship to you.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me,
So one
sir.
more. Hello. So one more question.
Yeah.
Sir, after clearing the test, will we be having the face-to-face interview, or like will directly be given the internship?
For stipend, you will be having a face-to-face interview, stipend and free.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, I
Yeah,
am a
good
diploma
evening.
lateral entry student, so I don't have 12th PUC because I joined B directly in
In
second
the
year.
12th, you just put a diploma thing. So board, whatever is mentioned there, you put it as technical education diploma.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, my name is Sai Prasad. But sir, after this completing this session, the internship letter will be held, or it will be taken afterwards, given
No,
afterwards for
now
us.
you fill the form. We have given you the QR code. You fill the form, then we will validate that, And from tomorrow, we will start rolling up the, you have to go for the assessment. And after that, we will start rolling the offer letter.
Means
Sir,
we have to
getting
complete that.
error while submitting the forms, sir.
Now you submit the form. It is working. So all the fields are mandatory. If you're not selecting some of the field, you may not be able to submit. So see to that you make all the entries and then try to submit. Is that anyone else is also facing the problem in
Yes,
submitting
sir.
the form?
Yes, sir. We are facing
Sir,
the
can you
problem.
share the QR code?
Yes,
What
sir,
are
we are
the
facing the
QR
problem,
code?
sir.
Okay, fine. 1 minute.
It's like, please contact your form administrator for further assistance.
What is the
Yes,
message?
sir. That is the same.
Please contact your form administrator for further assistance.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Same error is coming, sir.
Same, sir.
1
Refresh
minute.
the page, it will work in. Refresh your page once
Refresh,
again.
bro.
Refresh it, and because they were that time, we wanted to put the remarks field, no, so probably that is the reason. So you just refresh it and it should work.
Yes, actually it's working.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, after completing this online assessment, the one-to-one interview will be offline or online?
Online.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, last date of accepting offer letter is 28 in VTU, right, sir? How long it will
20th.
take to complete the process?
No,
28
that is for you to apply. You to apply, it is 28. That we can accept up to January also. So that's not a problem. You applied, that is all. So after that, you cannot apply. So as you have applied, your job is done.
Okay, sir.
And
Good
that
evening,
will
sir.
extend, so don't
Hello,
worry
sir.
about that. Yes.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Rahul. Sir,
Yeah, Rahul.
tomorrow we have to attend the test tomorrow itself because we have an exam tomorrow.
No, we will be giving you the option. So probably and anyhow, this is hardly half an hour test and it is the basics what we will be asking. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whatever is the time. So within 24 hours, you have to attend and complete it. This anyhow you
Sure,
are
sir. We
doing at
can
your
take it day
convenience,
after
right? So
tomorrow.
whenever you are comfortable, you do it. We are not
We can
fixing
do
a
it tomorrow, day
timing
after
for that.
tomorrow, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what about the test credentials? Will we be getting a mail regarding it?
Yes. We will be sending you over the mail.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm not able to see the QR code. It's a blank screen for me.
Okay, it is in the chat also, but why it is not stop sharing?
Good evening,
Sir,
sir.
can you share the QR code to the group? Our community?
ಚೀಟಿಗಳು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ 10% ಪಟ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
Can you share the QR code to the community?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಫೋಟೋ ಅಂತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹಲೋ ಸರ್ ಹಲೋ
Just wait. The link is in the chat, my friend. Take it.
Is it shared? Okay. Any further question, or shall we wind it up? Thanks for all of you to be with us till this time. And we are always available. So see, the thing is, we want to help you, and the trend is changing. AI is disrupting the market. So it is very much required that you also change yourself, try to understand how exactly the market is going. And we are going to help you because we are developing a lot of product based on AI. So probably together we can create a new era of the technology. So with that, look forward to work with you. Thank you and good night.